Hi, it's me.
You probably remember my fall arrangement, but now I wanna redo it because I have a new plant for it. So all the pumpkins getting out and the apples. Maybe I can stack them on the side instead. I don't know. No. Everything is going off. Cinnamon can stay. I see the chicks have babies. The hen have babies, I mean. So just let it be over there. And here. How do we do that? Okay, this part we can move here on the side. Kind of. Yeah. Another little baby. Put it on the side. And remove the gunk. It's nothing. Nothing. Where is it? Here. And we're gonna plant this one, another sedum. It's a winter hardy. No, just washed my jeans. So maybe we here remove a little bit of the bottom part and just put it in like this. And because this has the same requirements like the others. Yeah, we're gonna put this one too because we can, and it has the same requirements, so this is not gonna be a problem. And hope for the best. Kalanchoe to this equation, and yeah, it should work. It should work. So something like this, and now we have to wait until it grows really nice. Put some lamps in. So it will be nice and cozy. And we have one more. Something like this. So it's gonna be beautiful when it grows. When it grows out, when it grows out. Oh, I found some Pachypedium viticaui. Well, we can put this one in too. Why not? Why not? Put it here. So this should be it. Maybe one apple then. Yes? Let me know if I should put more or should I take it out. I'm not really sure. We do have some space. Okay, 2, it doesn't work. 3. But it's so full. I don't know. But we need the crown inside. So, okay then. Oh, I put this inside. Don't forget what this name is. Okay, bye.